So now, after I did that ultimate compound, I did the ultimate polish from Meguiars. I actually had my buffer this time. Again, their clear coat has came off this hood, so I wanted to kind of see the difference. Here's what it kind of looked like before. It was almost turning a purplish color from that blue. Went over the headlight with the buffer too. It looked like this one, a lot more faded. See the difference there. Alright, so now you see what half looks like. Now check out the whole hood.